Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss terms euphony and cacophony. Introduction. Language, beyond its communicative function, possesses a rich auditory dimension that can evoke emotions and aesthetics through euphony and cacophony. Euphony refers to language that strikes the ear as smooth, pleasant, and musical, while cacophony is perceived as harsh, rough, and unmusical. This video delves into the concepts of euphony and cacophony, examining their significance, impact, and deliberate use in literary works. Euphony. Euphony, often associated with poetic beauty, can captivate readers through its melodic quality. A classic example is found in John Keats's The Eve of St. Agnes, where he uses words like lucent syrups, tinged with cinnamon, and spiced dainties to create an auditory experience that resonates with readers. However, it is important to note that euphony is not solely dependent on the inherent melodiousness of speech sounds, but also on the significance of the words and the ease of enunciation. The American critic John Crow Ransom exemplified the interplay of significance and euphony by altering Tennyson's line, "the murmur of innumerable bees," to "the murder of innumerable beeves," showcasing how the change in reference disrupts the auditory harmony. Cacophony. On the other hand, cacophony or dissonance in language creates a jarring effect on the ear. Matthew Arnold's poem Dover Beach unintentionally exhibits cacophony in the line, "lay like the folds of a bright girdle furled." Here, the harshness is not just derived from the sound, but also from the difficulty of enunciating the sequence of speech sounds. However, cacophony can also be purposeful and functional. Robert Browning's Pied Piper employs cacophony to create humor and evoke vivid imagery as he describes the chaotic actions of rats. Similarly, Thomas Hardy's poem In Tenebris Eye uses cacophony to mirror the theme of dogged endurance, where the difficulty in enunciation echoes the strength required to endure hardships. Beyond auditory effects, both euphony and cacophony hold literary significance beyond mere auditory effects. Writers often employ these techniques to enhance their work's emotional impact and thematic resonance. The deliberate use of euphony in poetry can heighten the beauty of verses and establish a rhythmic flow that appeals to readers' senses. Conversely, cacophony can evoke feelings of chaos, discomfort, or struggle, providing a vivid portrayal of the subject matter. Conclusion. In conclusion, euphony and cacophony serve as powerful tools in the writer's arsenal to evoke emotions, aesthetics, and meaning through auditory effects in language. The use of euphony enhances the melodic quality of their text, while cacophony creates dissonance that may evoke discomfort or vivid imagery. Both techniques are essential in shaping the overall impact and resonance of a literary work, engaging readers on multiple levels. So this was the discussion on the terms euphony and cacophony. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.